How to block a Student Oyster Card. To block a Student Oyster Card in London, you would need to follow these steps. If your Student Oyster Card is lost or stolen, the first step is to report it to the Transport for London. You can do this by contacting TfL's customer service helpline or reporting it online. When reporting the loss your Student Oyster Card, you likely need to provide details such as your name, address, Oyster Card number, and any other relevant information TfL requests. Inform TfL that you want to block the lost or stolen Student Oyster Card to prevent unauthorized use. They will deactivate the card in their system. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.